Hey guys, in this video I'm going to get coupon codes for Barnes & Noble. If you find this video useful, please drop a like and sub to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. I'm going to open up any web browser on my mobile device. Going to head on over to Google, and now once I'm inside Google, I'm going to type in coupons for Barnes & Noble, and now I'm going to hit enter, and then you'll come to all the search results inside Google here. So you got all the big third-party sites like CouponFollow, 25% off, RetailMeNot. If I scroll down, Groupon.com. So you can click into any one of these third-party sites, which are great to find coupons. So for this deal, I'm going to click onto CouponFollow. I really enjoy this website, and it seems a high success rate in coupon and promo deals. So if I scroll down, I can activate any one of these offers. So if I want to offer this, click on this offer here, 25%. I'm going to click into that. So save 25% on any purchase. And now what I want to do is click on copy, and now go to Barnes & Noble at the checkout section, paste that code in, and enjoy 25% off your order. Or you can just click on redeem at Barnes & Noble, and that it will activate the deal automatically.